Hello everyone, my name is Igal. I'm the developer of this hack and slash 2D SH game I'm trying to make. It's been around like 2 years. This is the first devlog I'm gonna do, and it's gonna be the first of a long series of devlog. And you're gonna see in the devlog like the progress of making solo building, an action online RPG game, the challenge and everything, every difficulty I have, and the idea I got, and the way the game is progressing is going to be very interesting. First of all, we're gonna just jump in, and this devlog is about the game menu. So let's take a look. Okay, so first of all, when you log in like this, you have on the right side the last patch note. Balance change, character class, word change, bug fix, new feature, quality of life. When you have 5, I can see here, you have 5 character slot, and I'm gonna pick the first one. There's a space. So we're gonna choose the Blaze Master class. For now, there's only one class available. There's gonna be 2 classes very soon. You have 2 options when you create a character. You have a season leader character. You can activate to be in the season ladder board. Or you can also select if you want to play hardcore mode. There is a little warning for hardcore, as you can see. Example, they have they just have 1 life basically. If you die, it's permanent. But you're gonna save some item. Like, you don't lose everything if you put some stuff in your stash. But we're gonna see it later in another video. So when you decide you have a season activate and hardcore activated, you confirm. You write your name, EGOD123. There we go. So my character is built and ready to log in. So we're gonna go in the lobby now. So everything you see here is simulated. So this is like, this is kind of online simulated. So the coding is there, but have to be implanted online with a server. Like the first server we're gonna have is gonna be in Toronto, Canada. And we actually so in the game menu you have a global chat. You can switch for trade chat and looking for groups. So on the left side of the screen you have a left chat with different layer too. I'm trying to figure out how this is going to work depending of the number of player there is. You notice when I switching layer down the screen, all the players are there and you can navigate them. You can do a lot of things there. So if this person is talking right now, you can see he's tapping in the chat. You can say, hey, hello. And you can actually right click to him and whisper him. And you're gonna there's like a whisper system and the chat system actually. You can switch layer, and you can also mute them if you want. You can also reply to them with the R key and say hello. And there's a little comment, there's a bunch of comment I made. You can also trade and looking for group, all this stuff. On the right side of the screen, this is the most important part. First of all, if you want to create a game, you can just type the game name, Act 1, Quest 1, public game, no password. You select the game difficulty. So sure, you have to unlock them, but for now they all unlock. But let's say in a normal one, you can show a little game info like fresh start. And you have some option of the game you can add. It's work in progress, as you can see, and you get a game. If you want to join a game, you just go to the join section. You can actually type the game you want to join, like hello 1 with the password, and well, actually the button will be activated when it's going to be online. You can actually refresh the game list depending of the game difficulty you want. You can see if I click on 1 here, there is 7 players in the game in this game name with some note like a no dead. So if you click on the view button here, you can see what's going on in the game at this moment. So the game have been created for 2 hours 52 minutes. There is a bunch of level 60 in the game with the class they have, and it's the same thing, like give you a little information of what's we're going in this game. So I put the information there, but it's actually, I'm not sure if I want to find a way to put it here more easy. But for now, it's working like this, right in the chat. They also ladder board system where you can select the season you want to check. So for now we are in the pre-season. This is a bunch of class I just put there. You can class the leaderboard by class with level, and you can navigate into that. You can also have a global leaderboard with all the classes are together, and you can see the first one is a frost mage called Peer Warden, level 98. So as you can see, everything is simulated. It's not online yet, but the coding is there. And you can also have you have a separate one for hardcore. And my most favorite thing in hardcore is basically you can see if someone is dead. If the name is gray like this, that means the why I just died. And you can see the rank 1 and the rank 3 is actually over. They lose a character, and you can actually see them in there. I think that's a pretty cool feature. And you can see here, because I'm an hardcore character, you can see my overall position is 201, and my blade master position in number 18. So you can actually see where you are in the ladder board as well. So that's it pretty much for the game menu, and see you soon for another game log. We're gonna go into the game, and I would like to thank everyone for the support, and also take a look of the new Patreon page. I just updated. There is a lot of cool feature and a lot of cool membership you can have with exclusive video, and the early access is actually there. It's not out yet. I don't know when it's gonna be out, but if you want to support my crazy idea of making online action RPG and follow me this and become my boss, I think Patreon is the perfect place. So thank you very much for watching, and see you for the next devlog. Have fun.